Hi there everyone and welcome to How To. I hope you like the channel. I have a question in regarding to those who have used this kind of medicine. If you have any advice or just let us know how did it go with you using this medicine. It's basically they have prescribed this for my wife and we just wanted to know because today is the first day she's using this and she's getting a lot of pain. So we just wanted to know how was the experience with you using this medicine as a first time. So let us know please in this comments. I think it would help. So let me know, let us know by the comments, by commenting in this, and tell us what happened and how did it go with you first day, second day, and how is it going on with it. Do we need to go to the hospital, or what should we do? So please share your experience below this video, and hope it will be helping us if you share as soon as possible, or it will help anyone else who is using this kind of medicine. Thank you very much and have a good day.